State Cabinet resolves to review whether Kuki rebels under suspension of operation have violated ground rules or not. Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel extols people of Manipur for possessing exceptional character and virtues. KSA submits memorandum to Ministry of Human Resource Development demanding appointment of a regular Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Examination Controller of Manipur University. Medilane Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited claims to be Manipur's first air ambulance service provider. Anglo-Kuki War Centenary Commemoration Committee observes 100th anniversary of Anglo-Kuki War at Sea Asian Village under Cycle Division. And POCSO Court Imphal West awards 7 years of rigorous imprisonment to a convict who sexually exploited a minor on the pretext of marriage. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Spokesperson of the state government, Thokchom Radhesham, has disclosed that today's cabinet meeting resolved to review whether Kuki rebels under suspension of operation have violated ground rules or not. Speaking to media at his secretariat office in Babupara today, Minister Thokchom Radhesham stated that the Kuki communities led by Kuki NP held a meeting yesterday, after which the Kuki NP representatives met with the government to discuss on their various demands revolving around the Kuki Commemoration Day of October 17. He maintained that the meeting ended amicably, but threats by one Kuki outfit under Su has brought disruption to the agreement, and hence the state government has resolved to review the same to take necessary actions. Minister Thokchom Radhesham also mentioned that school students of Technopole and Saikul areas are facing inconveniences due to ban imposed by Kuki student organization KSO, and hence an FIR has been lodged to take legal actions against leaders of the student organization.
ngarang yanara sakibase sirei yanaba yaroi haina kihan kon na tawraga akoi ki su de yaw group khara na mafam khara ta tawraga nongoi ga blank fire taw ko dan law khong na khara taw dagi musi yanaba si kai bi sarkar hoje akoi verify to hon masali krai kai ki tawni yeng wena sigum ma akoi government len sigum taw yaroi akoi action lawgani hena Satri organization singna education ji crime free any incident free zone hin gani na demand tawraga satri sangsan amatana education da khut thingjilaga any sarkar gi mathak ta moina dictate tawraga si tawgani na moina issue tawba yaroi haibase akoi khan boina ngasi akoi police DGP ne chief secretary ne tawraga case FIR tawre moi phana ba thiengre akoi ni yam kan hono je mayam khuding mon hono jara kan shanti lein nusin leminari se masi kai da na ba satri sangsan khuding makso CSO khuding makso Republic ki mipum khuding makso aduga leiriba akoi gi suda leibiriba kamu khuding makso masi akoi thugai bigano.
BJP Manipur Pradesh accorded a warm welcome to Union Minister of State Independent in charge for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel at the party office in Kanchipur today. Speaking on the occasion, Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel extols the people of Manipur for possessing exceptional character and virtues, urging all the stakeholders to work towards clearing away apprehension that people have about visiting Manipur. The Union Minister is short of taking measures to boost the state's tourism sector. He maintained that Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government has introduced e-visa facility for tourists visiting the state with 5 years validity to enhance tourism sector, and has even reduced GST rates of hotels to facilitate tourists. Prahlad Singh Patel also mentioned that number of tourist peaks in border areas have been increased to attract more tourists, and India holds the lowest tariff in tourism sector among the Southeast Asian countries. The Union Minister lauded the people of the state for their kindness and generosity and for ensuring that tourists visiting the state are safe. He appeals to continue the same.
इतने तमाम झगड़ों के बाद भी मणिपुर में किसी पर्यटक के साथ कोई बदतमीजी नहीं हुई कभी। ये बड़ी पूंजी है साहब, ये यहाँ के आदमी का कैरेक्टर है, और अगर ये बाहर जाएगा तब धारणा टूटेगी। तब विधानसभा के चुनाव चल रहे थे, डिबेट में भी मैंने कहा, मीडिया से भी मैंने कहा था कि मैंने कहा इंतजार करिए आप 2-3 साल, ये गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया बनेगा साउथ ईस्ट एशिया। क्योंकि जरूरी ये है कि हमारे पास क्या है, अब तो रोड हमारे पास है, रेल इस साल आ जाएगी, हवाई जहाज है, कमी क्या है। कभी कोई सोच नहीं सकता था कि झिरीबाम तक आदमी ऐसे चला जाएगा। जिस दिन वो दोनों नदी के पुल बन जाएंगे, 1 आध साल में बन जाएंगे मुझे लगता है, तो आसाम से लेकर यहाँ तक की ड्राइव, कोई लंबी ड्राइव तो है नहीं, आदमी आएगा घूमते हुए और आपके यहाँ रहकर चला जाएगा। अगर किसी को बाई रोड जाना है तो थाईलैंड तक जा तो सकता है, और हैं लोग चाहते हैं कि हम ऐसे घूमें। उसमें सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण अगर कोई लाभ मिलेगा तो वो मणिपुर को।
Taking part in the event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit asserted that the state has great potentials in art and culture and in tourism sector. He expressed immense gratitude for appointing Prahlad Singh Patel as the Union Minister for Culture and Tourism. Minister Biswajit urged the Union Minister to help in coming up with various comprehensive proposals to boost the state's culture and tourism sector to bring about overall socio-economic development of the state. Leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh and party workers took part in the event.
गुरुना ताकपीरंबा कावबो यादब वाफमसिंगदुदि मतम खुदिमक्ता निंगसिंगबो मतम पार्टीसु ममांगदा चटकनी लोनना पार्टीदा लेरिबा मिपुं खुदिमक्सु नुंगाइना खोइदा लेमिननबा अमदि शांति ओइना खोइ पार्टीसि खोइ तुंग कोइना गसिदा सही मंगादा नत तरादा नतना खोइगी लेरिबा भारत के प्राइम मिनिस्टर की ड्रीम अखोइगी न्यू इंडिया अमा सेम मतमदा मणिपुरसु न्यू मणिपुर अमा सेमबा याहोनबा ngamnaba honaba aduga लोनना अखोइगी स्टेट से मतम कुइना अखोइ बीजेपी की सरकार लेहन बा हाइबसे अखोइ कार्यकर्तागी कनो यावदना पांगन यावदना खोइ ngamba नते अदुना कार्यकर्ता खुदिमक्ता अखोइगी लेरिबा सरकार की माइकदी ओरो अमदगी ओरो पेन पेनदबा हाइबुना तोंगानबा अमदा ngangnabagi थमै हरकांदा अखोइगी पार्टी की ओइबा अखोइ आइडियोलॉजी पार्टी की ओइ प्रिंसिपल पुनिमक्ति चमिनरगा अफबा पार्टी म ओइमिनसी अदुगा लोइनब होनमिनसी।
Union Minister of State Independent in charge for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel early in the day inaugurated two-day cultural cum literary meet 2019 of Manipur University of Culture today. Manipur University of Culture organized the event named Inat at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound. Speaking at the event, Prahlad Singh Patel lauded Manipur for its richness in unique art and culture. He maintained that unlike other states, Manipur has all the unique art forms like traditional dances, songs, martial arts, etc. The Union Minister stressed the need to improve the infrastructure of the one and only Manipur University of Culture of the state to aid in preserving the unique art and culture of the state for generations to come. Assuring of all possible assistance from the center, the Union Minister called upon people to join efforts in developing the university.
ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो आपके पास ना हो। वेशभूषा आपके पास में है, वेशभूषाओं के प्रकार आपके पास में है, नृत्यों के प्रकार आपके पास में है, एक ही राज्य में। और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि आप बेहद धनी राज्य के लोग हैं, जहां पर उन सब चीजों को लगातार संजो कर रखना चाहिए था, ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ी भी उसको आगे बढ़ाने का काम करे। उसके लिए मुझे लगता है कि विश्वविद्यालय से ज्यादा अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं हो सकता। लेकिन एक बात को मैं जरूर आप सबके सामने आश्वस्त करता हूँ कि राज्य और केंद्र मिलकर जो आपकी क्षमता है, हम देना भी चाहें तो राज्य सरकार उतना अंशदान दे पाएगी मुझे लगता नहीं। हमें मिलकर इस इंस्टीट्यूशन को खड़ा करना चाहिए। ये संकल्प हम आज तय करें कि हमारे पास में एक अच्छा भवन हो, आने वाले बच्चे जब वहाँ पर डिग्रियाँ हासिल करें तो उस कैंपस में आने में गर्व महसूस करें।
Taking part in the event, Arts and Culture Minister Langpolakpam Jentakumar asserted that only art and culture can unite communities residing in the state, stating that the state government has already apprised the center to sanction projects for improving the infrastructure of Manipur University of Culture. Minister Jentakumar assured that construction of the university will begin before the end of this year. The Arts and Culture Minister also mentioned that necessary assent for the same has been acquired from the Forest Department and appeals to the public for their cooperation. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, ministers, MLAs and dignitaries attended the event.
At one time, Sukchamkil University in Sanabaki, Pishambapum, Achova, Matu Pirpana, Matu to be in the Sutomati. Just to go ahead, Aquila Matugi. Achobat Chankama, Pianova Habiki, Shamsare and Habitu, Anjil Manova Sare to Manasu. So, but it has given us the green signal just to go ahead with the construction of this building. What to say, Machin Saro, at an Habiki Matu Ayava today. Bible instruction letter. And we have submitted our project proposal also. The Yam Tuna, 2019 Simang Dagi Kotobung Amgani Habitat.
Kanglek Park Students Association KSA has submitted a memorandum to the Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD demanding appointment of a regular Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Examination Controller of Manipur University at the earliest. Speaking to media at KSA office in Koyatong today, KSA Publicity Secretary H. Bablu said that the memorandum was submitted to the MHRD through Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. He stated that the current administrator of the university, Jarnail Singh IAS, is present in the university for only 2 days in a week. Bablu also mentioned about issues revolving around reservation policy while recruiting jobs in the university. He further expressed apprehension whether the university is running at deficit in the wake of recent media circulation that the university is applying for a huge loan from a bank.
Manipur University da in charge of the Puriva, administrator, Register, the examination control of the examination sing regular DC Register, control of the examination. Half the Vagina, University atmosphere sing as a sound of IPA, University the Jariba Padi, Academic Council, administrative function, lower what I've seen, as you show for you, the Tauba, the year for you, Laiva, University student welfare, the Mata. Labor, Tabaxing, Kaya Paita, Kaya Imramsi, Ozila, Administrative, IS officer, academic Oyen and academic way, High Maramasina, two Matanda, academic Oiva, VC, Amazon, Cultural Examination, Amazon Rest, Happy Wine, ACN and C, MSRD, Governor Kutang, and was submitted of Japanese.
Medilane Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited has claimed to be the first air ambulance service provider in Manipur. The company has also announced to provide free ambulance service in times of natural disasters like earthquake, floods, etc. in the state. The announcement was made at the launching of Medilane's ambulance service and mobile app at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today, on the occasion of the company's third foundation day. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director of Babina Group of Industries, Dr. W. Thangjam, lauded Medilane Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited for all its undertakings. He maintained that the company's home healthcare service has also greatly benefited people of Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director of Medilane Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited, Dr. M. Dayananda, stated that 3 ambulances out of the company's 15 ambulances are well equipped with advanced life support, while the remaining 12 are equipped with basic life support. He also stated that the newly launched Medilane mobile app will provide facilities to get home appointment of doctors and nurses and to book for ambulance services.
ख्वाइदगी अइना थागत चनिंगबदी अखोगी होम सर्विस नि नर्सिंग सर्विस से युम द दि लैब दरकार लैरबा द हॉस्पिटल याम कुइना सांग लरपदगी अवाबा म्याम मायोगनबदगी युम द पुथरगा सेवादी दम दरकार लैबा बदुगुंबा नाबदा नर्सिंग होम नर्सिंग केयर एट होम सी अदुक मतिक मरु है मेडिलेना एयर एम्बुलेंस की मपानी फार्म अम टाइप तोरगा पिरकदौरबा सर्विस सिना मफम सिगिदा लैब म्याम पुनब द काना पिरगनि हेबसे थाजसे
एयर एम्बुलेंस अखोइना मखलनी लै एयर एम्बुलेंस हरगा अखोइना अखोइगी प्राइवेट जेट ओइना ओइबा एम्बुलेंस अमा नत्रगना अखोइ हौजिक हौजिक लैरिबा इंडियन एयरलाइंस की थ्रू दगी अखोइना स्ट्रेचर सेमगा अखोइ एम्बुलेंस की खुतांगा थाबगे अमा द हाइरिबा अखोइगी प्राइवेट जेट की ओइना दे अखोइ मपान की कंपनी अमगा अखोइगी एयर रेस्क्यू हाइबा कंपनी में अखोइ कोलैबोरेट तौजरे अखोइगी इंडियन एयरलाइंस की थ्रू दगी चतपगी ओइना दी मेडिलेन अखोइगी इसागी डॉक्टर पुथोगा अखोइना स्ट्रेचर अखोइना एवरीथिंग अखोइना अरेंज तौजरगा थाबा याबगी खुदोंग चाबदा अखोइदा हौजिक लैजरे
ख्वाइदगी अइना थागत चनिंगबदी
The Anglo-Kuki War Centenary Commemoration Committee commemorated 100th anniversary of Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 at Si Aijan village under Saikul subdivision of Kangpopi district today. Chief host of the event, Solet Lungdim, unveiled the statue of Kuki leader Chengja Pao Dongel at the Anglo-Kuki War Memorial Complex. However, memorial stone at the War Memorial Complex was not unveiled as Chief Minister Nongthomo Biren failed to attend the function. Thousands of attendees paid tributes to the statue of Chengja Pao Dongel and the event continued at the village ground. Saikot MLA cum senior leader of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Tien Haukip, led the people in paying 2-minute silence to the war martyrs. A book titled The Anglo-Kuki War was also released on the occasion. Cultural troupes of various Kuki groups from across the state showcased cultural dance performances and sang war songs at the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯂꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ.
Special Judge Pokso Court Imphal West R.K. Memcha has sentenced a convict for sexually exploiting a minor on the pretext of marriage to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment. The convict is 28-year-old Hemam Rajesh, son of Kameshwar from Moirang Konjingbam Lekai under Moirang Police Station of Bishnupur district. He was convicted of sexually exploiting a minor girl whom he eloped and kept at his friend's residence for 15 days at Chingamakha Oinam Lerak in April of 2016. However, family of the minor girl filed a complaint at the police. Subsequently, investigating officer of the case filed charge sheet against him under IPC section 366, 368 and section 4 of the POCSO Act. The court framed charge on Rajesh in February 2017 and investigations were underway since then. The Defense Counsel prayed to give lenient punishment for the convict, while the State Council's Special Public Prosecutor A. Nilachandra sought for stringent actions against the convict under POCSO Act 2012, Section 4 and IPC 366, 368, sexual assault. After listening to both sides, the judge announced 7 years of rigorous imprisonment to Rajesh today.
Sharing the prosecution maximum mase for POCSO Act minimum 7 years up to life imprisonment you haina laibani aduna agi prosecution gidi mase life imprisonment pi when prayer tawni adu honorable court na factor mayam khanla neinarkanda 366 ki 7 year punishment pire lupa lising manga ama fine dore 368 ki na asisu 7 year punishment award dore halisung manga amaga aduga for POCSO Act na 7 year sentence pire aduga 15,000 की फाइन अमग तौरे हाइरिब सेंटेंस अहुम से कंकरेंटली सटकिनेना ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ना डिक्लेयर तवी सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसिंग से नुपीदा नत्रग विक्टिम दु खक्तदा तौबा ऑफेंस नते क्राइम नते लेरिब होल ह्यूमन सोसाइटी दा दुका मदरहुड नुपीदा तौबा क्राइम नि मसिदी प्रजानसु असिगुंब केससिदा मतुंगदसु कोऑपरेट तौबिदुना कन्विक्शन मरा लेबसिंग दनि पिना होनाबदा मयामना मतेंग पांगबि ngasi सेंटेंस शेयरिंग.
People have warned to block Uchathol Road in Jirbam district by October 21st if the authorities concerned fail to repair the road, latest by October 20. Speaking to media at the club today, General Secretary of Uchathol Pioneer Club, Y. Roman, claimed that heavy ferret along the road has damaged the road and that the NF railways failed to repair the road despite repeated pleas.
लाग्लिबा अक्टोबर की टांग कुन फावबगी मनुंगदा मरी लेनबा गवर्नमेंट की मरी लेनबसिंग अमदी एनएफ रेलवे ना हारिबा लंबी असिगी मतांगदा सेमजिननबगी थबक पाइखत्रबदी मथंगी नुमित अक्टोबर की टांग कुनमाथोइदगी लंबी असिदा हेवी व्हीकल सिंग मतम कक्तना थिंजलगनी हाइबा वाफमसि थमजरी लोइनना मखा तारकपा मियामगी खोंजंगदा थोलकपा फफटगी दायित्व खुदिंगमक्सो एनएफ रेलवे अमदी मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट पुगदौबनी.
Incubation and acceleration program titled Her and Now kicked off in Imphal today. The project was initiated under GIZ, a German-based company to encourage women entrepreneurs of the country. The program is being launched in 3 northeast states, namely Shillong, Jorhat and Imphal. It will provide 6 to 7 month acceleration and incubation training to women of the areas. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, representative of GIZ company Julia Kurz said that the 3-year project launched under German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development and Indian Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship will support women entrepreneurs in bringing a positive change in the society. She asserted that efforts will be made along with non-profit organizations such as Dhriti and Imphal Angels to make the project a success.
Project started last year. It's a 3-year project. The objective of this project is to support women entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses in India. As a GIZ project, we are supporting local partners in 3 regions of India, those being Northeast, and we're going to speak about that in a moment in more detail, but also in Rajasthan and Telangana. And in all of these 3 regions, we are working with local partner organizations, and we're offering 6 to 7 months programs for women to start a business, as well as for women who already have businesses to grow their business.
Former Minister Moirangthem Hemanta has stated that 450 women who are engaged in weaving, artistry, embroidery and tailoring activities from 12 villages of Wangjing Tentha constituency will be provided assistance under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME). He stated the same at the one-day awareness program on traditional embroidery cluster organized by Tentha Farmers Development Association at the association complex in Kongjom today. Moirangthem Hemanta asserted that the total amount of the project is 1 crore and 32 lakh rupees. He stated that center will bear 90% cost of the project and the remaining 10% by the association to facilitate the women beneficiaries. The former minister assured that women artisans will be provided with necessary raw materials and marketing support. Weavers from various parts of Wangjing Tentha constituency attended the program held under the aegis of SFURTI, KVIC, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, New Delhi. 15-day Handlooms and Handicrafts Expo 2019 in view of Ningol Chakoba kicked off today. Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans Cooperative Society Limited organized the expo at GM Hall. Inaugurating the expo, Principal Secretary Textiles, Commerce and Industry P. Waife IAS lauded the organizers and stressed on the need to organize more such expo to promote the native handloom and handicraft items. Various handloom and handicraft products are made available in 70 stalls at the expo.
Salesman haiba haitaba pot de phabu bharedi salesman ni amna wa khari jungang darbazo mina namna dum lowrani pot si ataiga manaredi then salesmanship the depend orani. But if the material is unique, yam fajaba oiredi mina leidraba powder order tawduna thanam tara sinbiro kun sinbiro natraga ai ada thana bagi. This is how it happens. I am so happy that Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicraft Artisans Cooperative Society Limited, our state Apex Soiba Asimumba Cooperative Society Namang Tharaga, Ningol Chakoba, Akhoigi, Manipur Yidamanta, one of the most unique festival. Ningol Chakoba Kumbasi Festival Manipur Laibasi Akhoya Laibal Kobani.
Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI) has conferred the prestigious Women MSME Achievers Award to proprietor of Maira Food, Hanjabam Subra. Union Minister of Road Transport and Railways, Shipping Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Nitin Gadkari, presented the award to Shubra at the award distribution ceremony held at Taj Palace Diplomatic Enclave in New Delhi yesterday. Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archive held its first Foundation Day celebration at Old Manipur Legislative Assembly building today. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan lamented at the inability to upgrade Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives to international standard due to financial constraints.
18 October Manipur India political history 18 October 1948 Manipur se Bharat ki wani yan alba democracy surplus state ama oibadu ninjang moina badu bi tungi lakadaba promotion su mirol sinsu dukana ni khalakanda मसी कोई पुन्ना 18 अक्टोबर लेपखिबनी अदुबो तंगाई फदना जिरोई डेली फेस्टिवल सु तांग तरा का निपांसी कोई असेंबली सेक्रेटरी ना अंगम बका स्पॉन्सर तौरगा जिरोई डेली होम दुदा हिन प्रोग्राम में सिंबदगी तंगाई ऑब्जर्वेशन सी नसी ओने तौरसी हैन सिंदोपनी.
A book titled On Dynamic of Education in India and Dissection of Higher Education Policies, jointly written by 3 prominent professors, was released at the Seminar Hall of Imphal College today. The authors are Professor L. Randhoni and Professor N. Ramabati of Imphal College and Professor R.K. Indrani of MB College. Principal of Thobal College, O. Chauba, Principal of Imphal College, M. Priyobrata, Principal of MB College, M. Chandramani, Assistant Professor of the Economics Department of Manipur University, Dr. Chinglin Maishnam, and dignitaries attended the event. Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation distributed vegetable seeds under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture MIDH 2019-20 to farmers at Khongampat Farmers Training Hall today. Speaking at the event, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunojam Shyamkumar urged farmers to cultivate the habit of stocking up annual crop seeds to prevent blights associated with non-availability of seeds for cultivation and to save expenses incurred in buying the seeds. Vegetable seeds were distributed to selected farmers and to those who have registered themselves at the Horticulture Department on the occasion.
कोई थाई नगी अलमन सिंह ना कोई फौदी थमदर में नोमई कोई कितना अदु थमतबा अदुना अरीब मरुदगी अनो मयोन सोंग वाखन से लोइमक काउंडर हाइतारे लौ इंकोन फजना उबा हित्रबा इंकोन फजना कोइबा हित्रबा मयुमदा लई थानिंद्रबा यनखा लुखादा नाना थमिंद्रबा मरु मरा निथिना थानिंद्रबा युमदो कोई फरंग हुंजाइना कांग हुंजाइ मानु ओइदुरिने अदुना कोई युममा लमदम मा सखरपसि इसागी स्टेट इसागी इंकोल इखागी इमुंग मनुंग यनखा लुंगा इंकोल अकोय मयाम सिंग असि मतम की महे मरोंग अम हाइपा लेपाल नंथीजना थाबा ngमनबा अदुगी मयाम पॉलिटिकल डिपार्टमेंट की ऑफिसर सिंगना तौदन लाई मसुम तौरी अमसुम हेना मयाम तानरगा प्रजा मयाम सपोर्ट तौबे.
Second Farmers Convention on Right to Food and Climate Change was held at Lamyan Bashanglen Palace Compound today. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Environment Conservation Network, People's Platform Secretariat and People's Human Rights of Climate Change jointly organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, convener of Environment Conservation Network, K.H. Rebati Raman, stated that farmers in the state suffer much in times of floods and droughts due to government's failure to frame a policy to protect them in times of such natural calamities. He maintained that farmers in the state are still deprived of various benefits like crop insurance and various other schemes. He mentioned that farmers who do not own their own paddy fields suffer even more in such a situation. K.H. Rebati stressed on the need for proper and effective utilization of various projects like the Loktak project, Itai Barrage, Mapitel Dam, Dolaitabi Dam for the welfare of farmers. Experts from CSIR, CAU, ICAR and the Agriculture Department gave their resourceful insights at the meet.
Manipur की लौमी सिंगजिदी चामद मरफू की मथक्तदी लौ सालग उजबना अयामनी अदुना मागी क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस पीगे लौ हाइरगजु मागी पता पुरो दगी लौ की दुगी मरु ओइबा डॉक्यूमेंट पुरो हाइबा कांदा लौमी गा मागी लौपुदुगा दुम खरा चयन खरा लेबदगी अयामना क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस अदुम फंगदबना अयाम ओइबा अदुना आइगोना अगोगी पालेबा सरकार से आइगोना हाइजनिंगबदी पॉलिसी में सिंबिरगे लौ सालग उजरिबा ओइ चही क्या उदलाइबा लौमी सिंगजरा मागी क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस पीपीपी पॉलिसी अमा सेमनिंगबा अदुना सरकारना पीगने हाय थम्बिरिबा स्कीम सिंगजे पीबीदुना लौमी प्रजाब जोखपदा मतेंग पांगपिउ हाइजनिंगबनी.
3-day training program on market-led extension and market intervention kicked off at the training hall of Krishi Vigyan Kendra Bishnupur today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Bishnupur Udlo jointly organized the event. Speaking at the event, ex-Union Minister T.H. Chauba assured that the government is taking up various projects to double farmers' income by 2022. He stressed on the need for cordial relation between farmers and banks. 60 farmers attended the event.
ꯉꯥ ꯌꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯉꯥꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯎꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯊꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛ ꯄꯤꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ इंटरेस्ट अभी पड़ा अदुना बेंकी कनेसे मसिया दरकार ले
Director of Social Welfare Department Ngangom Uttam launched 12th Fortnight Barrier-Free campaign at the department campus today. The campaign organized by Handicap Development Foundation Manipur will continue till October 31st. Speaking on the sidelines, Director NG Uttam urged everyone to treat the destitute and differently abled persons with love and care.
Accessible India campaign haina lai aduga mo akoi gi court ki directives da kari da office sing ji accessible ohen gada bani barrier free ohen gada bani haiba ma amalai ana barrier free ji da ju ngasai lai du ni ngasai akoi na structural barrier du khaktang na taba khwai da ki chawba akoi na hongdo kada badi akoi gi wakhal da lai riba attitude da lai riba pungning da lai riba barrier du ne Accessible India campaign haina lai aduga mo akoi gi
Wangkhe MLA K. Megachandra inaugurated a newly constructed office building of Chaubok Kabui Women's Society at Chaubok Kabui village in Thaubal district today. Speaking at the event, MLA Megachandra assured of necessary help for welfare works initiated by Chaubok Kabui Women's Society for the welfare of people in the area, especially the women's section. Officer in charge of ECHS Polyclinic Koringe, retired Lieutenant Colonel L. Manongba, has declared that ECS Polyclinic is plastic free. Speaking to Impact News today, retired Lieutenant Colonel L. Manongba said that paper bags are utilized in the clinic instead of plastic bags. He said that staff of the clinic have started making paper bags in their free times to meet the need of the clinic, which treats around 600 to 700 patients in a month.
चे हाइबो असेदी चे अमनबा न्यूज़पेपर ओइरसु अखोइगे बॉय ओइरसु मसी मयामसी अमनबा सिंगि लोइन लेबिनना मई थादो कोइ मुहुता युमथोंग गोतेंगी लेरिबा इमाइबेल सिंग नत्रगा अहलमन अंगांग सिंग फ्री दा तै लेबा कांदा यामना चम्बा स्टेप सिंग दु तौरगा चेखौसी सेमगा अंगों अम्बा पोत सिनरगदी मयाम पुंबगी ओइना इहो ओइना हौरगदी मसी याम चावबा कोइगे प्लास्टिक सी इ महोत चे गी खाव ओइना सिनबसी याम चावबा एनवायरनमेंट सेफ तोबो मतेंग पांगने नॉन रिन्यूएबल प्लास्टिक हाइड्रा वन टाइम सिनबा प्लास्टिक यारिगे सिनबीदनबा मसिना ख्वाइदगी चौबा ड्रेनेज ब्लॉक तौबा सा सिंगदा मोइना चाबदा चंगबा चांगना सोकबा मसी मयामजे तौबनेना कोइ मिपुम खुदिंगमंगना मसी सीरियस ओइना लौबिरागा अंगुम अंबदु तौबियो.
The Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization Nambol and Nambol Apunba Nupi Loop Nambol in a joint press release have banned gambling activities in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba and Diwali celebrations. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State Cabinet resolved to review whether cookie rebels under suspension of operation have violated ground rules or not. Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel extols people of Manipur for possessing exceptional character and virtues. KSA submits memorandum to Ministry of Human Resource Development demanding appointment of a regular Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Examination Controller of Manipur University. Medilane Health Tech and Consultancy Services Private Limited claims to be Manipur's first air ambulance service provider. Anglo-Cookie War Centenary Commemoration Committee observes 100th anniversary of Anglo-Cookie War at C. Asian village under Saiful subdivision. And the POCSO Court Impal West awards 7 years of rigorous imprisonment to a convict who sexually exploited a minor on the pretext of marriage.